creative atmosphere.
Today I'm going to do some experimentation with putting my logo on my sketchpad paper. And this is for a final character. So I'd like to have a logo right in the bottom corner of the paper, along with the name Readaroo characters. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but I know I'm going to put the Creative Atmosphere logo here and maybe Readaroo or Creative Atmosphere characters. I don't know, undecided yet, but I'll see how it looks on the computer, the mock-up version, and I'm thinking I'm going to use GIMP to set this up with. And I'm just using regular, this is a smooth bristle board. And I got this pad from Blick Art. And the size is 11 by 14. So now I'm in my program GIMP, and I'm changing the dimension of the new project to 11 by 14. That's the size of the paper that I'll be printing the logo signature onto. So once I set it in by inches, I'm going to switch to pixels. And I've got the portrait mode, not the landscape, because that's the orientation of the drawing that I'm going to be using. And I'm also checking to make sure that it's filled with not a color at all. I want it to be a transparent background because the only thing that I want to print is the logo and the signature. So now that I have the logo on the paper, I pulled that in. I'm going to mess around with the size of the logo and get it to just that perfect size and positioning on the paper, whereas it doesn't overpower or take too much attention away from the drawing. I just want it to be a reminder of a creative atmosphere creation, a character by Readaroo. Nothing too big, just a little bitty, little something. So yeah, as before, I wasn't too sure about how I would put the signature in, but I decided to use characters by Readaroo and just, instead of just saying Readaroo underneath Creative Atmosphere's logo. And everything's looking good, so now it's time to head over to the printer. So that's the branding right there. I saw a couple of artists do this on YouTube, so I figured it'd be a good idea to start branding my artwork as well. And it works. This is 11 by 14 paper and printed with the Pro 100 Canon Pixma Pro 100.